Joshua, final part. When promise becomes responsibility, inheritance, stewardship, unity, and finishing well, from conquest to distribution. The battles were fought, the land was taken, the promise was now reality. But a new question emerged. What do we do with what we have received? Because receiving something is one thing, managing it well is another. Joshua now shifts from conquest to distribution, responsibility, and legacy. What Moses gave to Reuben and Gad, stewardship begins. Before entering the land, Moses had already given territory to the tribes of Reuben and Gad, and part of Manasseh, on the east side of the Jordan. They had chosen land that suited their needs, but they also committed to help the others first. Meaning today, sometimes people receive blessings early. But receiving early comes with responsibility. Do not disconnect from the mission. Do not forget the collective purpose. Do not become isolated in your comfort. What you receive is not only for you, it connects you to others. Caleb reward for faithfulness. Caleb receives his inheritance, not because he was the strongest, but because he remained faithful when others doubted. Even after many years, he still asked for the land he was promised, meaning today. Faithfulness has long-term value. In a world that rewards quick results, Caleb reminds us, consistency matters, loyalty matters, integrity over time matters. What you stay committed to eventually shapes what you receive. The territories, order, structure, and identity. The land is divided among the tribes. Judah receives a large and influential territory. Manasseh, Ephraim, Benjamin, Simeon, Zebulun, Asher, Naphtali, each receives a portion. Every tribe has its place. Every tribe has responsibility. Meaning today, life requires structure. Without clarity, conflict grows. In families, businesses, and communities, roles must be defined, boundaries must be clear, responsibilities must be accepted. Order creates stability. The land of Joseph, increase and expectation. The descendants of Joseph receive a significant portion. But even with their inheritance, they are told to continue expanding and clearing the land. Meaning today, receiving opportunity is not the end, it is the beginning. Many people want results without ongoing effort. But growth requires continued work, expansion mindset, responsibility. What you receive must be developed. The altar by the Jordan, misunderstanding and unity. The tribes on the east build an altar. The other tribes misunderstand it. They fear rebellion, conflict almost begins. But instead of immediate action, they talk, they listen, they clarify, and they discover the altar was not rebellion but remembrance. Meaning today, many conflicts today come from misunderstanding. People assume, react, divide, but communication can restore unity. The lesson: not everything that looks wrong is actually wrong. Seek understanding before reacting. The death of Joshua. A life completed well. Joshua's life comes to an end. He had led the people faithfully. He had continued what Moses started. He had fulfilled his assignment, and he leaves behind a nation established, meaning today. A meaningful life is not measured only by success. It is measured by faithfulness, completion, impact, what remains after you are gone. Joshua finished well, and finishing well is one of the greatest achievements in life. What Joshua teaches us today. As the book closes, the message becomes clear. What you receive must be managed wisely. Faithfulness produces lasting results. Structure creates stability. Opportunity requires continued effort. Communication prevents division. Legacy is built over time. Finishing well matters. Final reflection. The real meaning of the promise. The book of Joshua is not only about conquest, it is about transition. From promise to possession, effort to responsibility, leadership to legacy. It teaches that achieving something is only the beginning. The real challenge is, what do you do after you receive it? Because many people fight hard to arrive, but fail to manage what they gain. And perhaps the deepest lesson is this: a fulfilled life is not only about what you conquer, but about what you build, preserve, and pass on. Subscribe to Sacred Voices of Faith. Thank you for sharing.